Did you know that deepfake technology is becoming so advanced that it can make anyone appear to say or do things they never did? That is a terrible reality of our digital age. And today we are going to explore the depths of fake technology, how it operates, and why it seems like an invincible force. Delving into the mechanics of deepfake creation. Deepfake technology, simply put, is like a wizard spell that employs computers and special smarts known as artificial intelligence. Deepfake is the manipulation technique used to make fake films, audio tapes, and pictures that are convincing imitations of actual world content using artificial intelligence. Deepfakes, using big data sets, are taking advantage of the power of LDC algorithms to solve difficult problems. Deepfakes are distinct from other types of modified media since they are created using computer-generated content that has been painstakingly trained on an extensive collection of existing photos. In particular, there are a growing number of resources available for constructing deepfakes, and the various user-friendly tools make this process easily accessible to first-time users. Deep lies can be used for a number of purposes, e.g., to alter the appearance of famous people, establish fake news reports, spread rumors, assist online bullying, and commit financial fraud. Fake technologies have evolved significantly over time, and their ability to deceive viewers has steadily improved. Such widespread availability of deepfake technologies could have a devastating impact on different sectors, such as entertainment and media. A specific type of neuronal network known as an autoencoder is at the core of deepfakes creation. This network consists of an encoder component, which is intended to reduce a picture into a definable latent space, and a decoder element that will subsequently generate its own image from this latent space. How deepfake works. Let's break it down in simpler terms. Imagine you want to learn how to mimic your friend's voice really well. Deepfake technology creates fake movies, audio recordings, or photos that convincingly resemble genuine things by using machine learning and artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms. There are various steps involved in making a deepfake. Data gathering. Before creating a deepfake, a significant amount of data is collected, generally in the form of pictures or videos of the person who will be the subject of the deepfake. Training an algorithm. After the data has been gathered, an algorithm for deep learning is trained. The algorithm gains knowledge of the person's voice, facial features, and other distinguishing qualities throughout this phase as it learns to recognize and comprehend these traits. Deepfake generation. The algorithm can be used to generate a deepfake once training is complete. To do this, pre-existing photographs or videos are edited to make it appear as though the subject is acting in a certain way or saying something they haven't actually said. Refinement. Additional modifications are made, such as adjusting the lighting, sound, and other elements to make the deepfake appear more realistic. As a result of continuous improvements and breakthroughs, deepfake technology is always evolving. Deepfakes will become even more believable as a result of these improvements. Therefore, it's getting harder and harder to spot deepfakes. Deepfakes might be used to spread misinformation and sway public opinion, according to experts, who are concerned about this possibility. Diverse malevolent uses of deepfake technology. Deepfake technology opens the door to a range of malicious applications, including the propagation of disinformation, financial fraud schemes, cyberbullying campaigns, the dissemination of revenge porn, and the manipulation of political narratives. These insidious uses have the potential to trigger widespread misinformation, sow discord on critical issues, and serve as a catalyst for unethical actions. A balanced perspective. Not all deepfake uses are malicious. It is paramount to acknowledge that deepfake technology is not inherently malevolent. Beyond its dark applications, there exist legitimate stakeholders with a sincere interest in leveraging this technology for research purposes. An inclusive approach to policymaking should consider the broader spectrum of intentions behind deepfake utilization. Real-time deepfakes, a disturbing advancement. One emerging and deeply concerning aspect of deepfake technology is the emergence of real-time deepfakes. Victims ensnared in deepfake scams often find themselves in a precarious position with no immediate means of verifying the authenticity of the content they encounter. This vulnerability leaves them susceptible to manipulation and deceit, raising significant ethical and security concerns. A relentless technological advancement. As deepfake technology continues its relentless march forward, experts express growing apprehension regarding its capacity to disrupt fundamental aspects of how individuals perceive and interpret reality. This relentless advancement necessitates a proactive response to address the ethical and societal implications that accompany it. Business Insider's spotlight on deepfake concerns. The Business Insider article shines a spotlight on the burgeoning apprehensions surrounding deepfake technology. It underscores the formidable challenge of curbing the creation and dissemination of deepfakes on various online platforms. Crucially, the article illuminates that the heart of the issue lies not in the technology itself, but in its applications and consequences. Moreover, it emphasizes the escalating complexity of detecting deepfakes, a trend poised to persist and intensify in the future. Ultimately, the article underscores the pressing need for unwavering vigilance and critical attention to this evolving technological landscape. In what ways can deepfake technology be employed for harmful intents? Deepfake technology can be abused in a number of ways for bad intentions, such as disinformation propagation. Deepfakes can be used to produce propaganda, fake news, and hoaxes that can be shared on social media and other platforms in an effort to sway public opinion. Financial fraud. Deepfakes can be used to produce phony audio or video that can be exploited to steal identities or defraud people of their money. Bullying and harassment. Deepfakes can be used to make fictitious movies or images that can be exploited to harass or intimidate people, particularly women and other marginalized groups. Without their permission, deepfakes can be used to make fictitious sexual movies or photographs of someone, which can be used to humiliate and embarrass them. Political influence. Deepfakes can be used to make phony audio or video of political personalities, which can be used to alter public opinion or to criticize them. The bigger picture impact on society. Let's think about it from a broader point of view. If you didn't believe in any of the video or audio recordings that you saw or heard, what if all that news you're seeing is not real? You don't have any way of knowing for sure. This is a very disturbing thought, isn't it? Deepfake technology may have the potential to undermine our trust in information and harm our society, although we're still not quite aware of it. The fight's not over. Now, let's think about the most important question we all have to ask. How do we take care of this relentless deepfake technology that is spreading like wildfire? And what are we going to do about protecting ourselves, our society, and the truth? We are still at war with deepfakes, and it is a battle we will not be able to win. Final thought. Remember, it's not all you see and hear that looks like it does in your digital life. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Keep an eye on your surroundings and never doubt what lies ahead. The deepfakes world is on the rise, but it may be possible to defend ourselves from them by our ability to think hard and look for truth. Watch our other video on what can quantum computers really do. Michio Kaku says glorified tape recorder about AI. And we will see you soon.